Hey, this is Susan from Empty Nesters and True Crime. I'm missing my partner in crime right now, but for tonight's drink, for my drink, we are making something that needs whipped cream. Well, you know, Susan can't buy concentrate. Well, apparently I can't buy canned whipped cream either. So, we're going to make homemade whipped cream. We're going to take half a cup of confectionery sugar and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And I went to Publix, so both that's Publix brand. And half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, not vanilla, pure vanilla. I'm going to spin. Keep increasing the speed. You want to make sure your bowl is chilled. We're going to sit at this level. And we are fluffing up. And you want to stop when it starts having the peaks. Like you'll notice when I show you at the end. See the little peaks? It's going to make more whipping cream than what I'm going to need for our video tonight, but I've just bought one of these bags. Publix has them. They're in the cake decorating area. They're just disposable bags if you don't have one. Just squish them down there because we're going to want it to just kind of squeeze out because that's what we're going to want for our drink tonight. So we're just going to try a little taste and see. Homemade whipped cream, you see, it takes less than 5 minutes, and it's so much better than what you buy in the can, and definitely better than Cool
Whip.